Have you recently been diagnosed of dementia? Or do you know of a loved one who have been experiencing some severe changes in their own behavior? This can feel very frustrating and overwhelming. But the truth is, most people are not told clearly what to do next at this stage. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 of the most important things to do after receiving such diagnosis. These tips can also be very effective for other chronic conditions like that of the heart, the brain, the kidneys, the bladder, etc. So let's get through it. Tip number 1, do not panic. Take a deep breath. Because a diagnosis of dementia does not mean everything has come to an end. It is very important to note that at this stage, you can still live independently, make your own decisions, and you can still live life to the fullest. Dementia is a condition that develops over time, but how well you respond to it at the early stage will make a very big difference. So it is important that at this stage, you get to know what it really means. That leads to number 2. Tip number 2, seek clear medical information. At this point, you have to know the type of dementia that you've been diagnosed with, the stage in which you are, and what to expect next. And this point is particularly very important to people in developing countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, etc. At this point, we don't have to cast insinuation and make final judgment. This is the point where we have to seek clear medical information. Speaking with your GP, speaking with your nurse, or any other medical information available will be very beneficial. At this stage, clarity is the most important thing, and it will reduce a lot of anxiety in later stage. Tip number 3, start planning early. This is one of the most important things to do, yet a lot of people delay it. Now, as long as you are still able to make your own decisions, this is the time where you have to put down issues like your financial preferences, your care preferences, and arranging for your power of attorney, who you can trust to speak on your behalf when you are finally not able to. Now, I understand that this can be a bit uncomfortable to go through, but if you are able to get through it, it means you are taking absolute control of your own life. I mean, in the present and in the near future. Tip number 4, focus on daily routines. Now, one of the most important things you can do to your own self at this early stage is to create a very simple and consistent pattern that you may follow on daily basis. Things like regular sleep patterns, regular meals, familiar environment. These simple steps can make a big difference. Not too hard, not too complicated, but simple and consistent. Tip number 5, build a trusted support system. At this point, you don't have to figure it out all alone. Look around your community. Are there any support systems that focus on helping people with dementia? Are there any charities that can be of help? Look out for any NGOs or even government organizations like the hospitals. Do they have any structure that supports people that have been diagnosed with dementia? And if you belong to a religion, don't overlook the importance of their existence. They might be of help physically, financially, and even spiritually. Because at this point, you don't have to wait until you are overwhelmed. Tip number 6, learn how and when to communicate. One of the biggest challenges that is being faced in the management of dementia is communication. So at this point, what you have to do is keep it simple, learn to be patient, and avoid any form of argument. Now, you have to understand that this condition in a way will affect how you communicate. So understanding how it has affected your communication will avoid a lot of stress later on. If you've been watching this video up to this point, it means you find it very valuable. So tip number 7 is for you to please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. A diagnosis of dementia can be very difficult, but with the right approach, right support, and understanding, you can live a quality life to the fullest. Whether you've been affected, you are a family member, or even a carer. Remember, you are not alone. See you in the next video.